welcome back to my channel. My name is Brandy and today we are doing a Valentine's Day look because love starts this month, of course. It is in the air, I think. I wouldn't know. I'm not in a relationship, but I love everybody, so love is always in the air for me. But for, of course, couples and stuff, this is where people start planning stuff for Valentine's Day. Girls start going, women start going to places like Victoria's Secrets and, Fenty, Savage, stuff like that, things that I don't really shop for, but it's beautiful. They start thinking what they're gonna wear, how their hair's gonna look, what makeup look they're gonna have on, and why not contribute to their inspiration of how they want their makeup to be. Now I will say, for the bottom lower line of my eyes, I do not recommend anybody putting pink anything unless you are absolutely experienced in makeup and you know your eyes. If you are allergic to red dye, anything of that sort, do not put this in your waterline. Put black, put brown, but nothing with red dye. Of course, I hope you know that, but for some, they like to take the risk or whatever. Or they just don't know. If you have really sensitive eyes, I have sensitive eyes. I'm aware that I have sensitive eyes, but I've done this type of makeup look for a very long time and it hasn't affected my eyesight, hasn't improved it, hasn't delayed it or whatever. So other than that, you can still achieve this eye look. Just remix it for you, make it fit for you, okay? But yeah, I just wanted to do something pretty and pink and purple and fun and glittery and just eccentric, and this is what we came up with. Well, I came up with, but I like to imagine that we together came up with this together. I hope you love this look as much as I loved creating it. I'm really impressed with how this look came out. I love it so much. This is nice. And my earrings by Demi Boutique, my favorite pair of earrings. They're nice little, I don't know what they're showing on camera. It looks like it's showing up peachy, but they're actually a cotton candy pink. I wouldn't even say cotton candy, a blush tone. Ugh. Getting lip gloss on my teeth. Anyways, but they're like a blush tone pink, really soft, cute, dainty, not dainty, but like elegant. That's the word for it. They're very elegant. I like it a lot. Happy Black History Month, even though it's always Black History Month for me. But if you always make this month a very special month out of all of them, happy Black History Month. Support black businesses, support everything black, stuff in the negative. We ain't no stereotype, but again, support black folk. With that being said, black folks, chase after your dreams. Everybody else, chase after your dreams. And like, comment, and subscribe. Share the video. Recreate the look. Tag me on it on Instagram. Go be great. Bye.